It's Whiskey Shadow 1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Enchantment of the Seas. We're here on the jogging track on the top deck of the ship. We'll take a look around. We're going to walk around and see what there is to see. Enchantment is actually only one of the two ships that have been cut and stretched. Here on these wings here, what you see this bridge is actually the section that's been stretched. It's not an amplification, it's actually an extension. Yes, they actually cut the ship in half, added a new section in, and then used the finest duct tape to put her back together. Up there is the legendary Viking Crown Lounge. I kind of missed the Viking Crown on some of the newer modern ships. Rock climbing wall at the aft of the ship. And as everyone can agree, the aft view is the best view. We're now moving forward on the starboard side. If you can see into the distance, that's the Bahamas. We're headed towards Nassau in the Bahamas. Just want to give you a nice view of the pool deck. Looks like their Jumbotron is running on the same frequency as my camera. That's why it looks like it's flickering. As we come around to the bow of the ship, we can actually see off in the distance the Atlantis Resort. And one of the most beautiful scenes, other cruise ships. It's so great to see cruise ships cruising again. Let's head down one level to deck 9. This is the main pool deck, also known as the Lido Deck. We have not one, but 2 pools, and also several hot tubs. There's like a small stage area where they sometimes have dancers or singers perform. And of course, on any ship, you're never more than a few steps from a bar.
I think he's in the Magic Mike's in the gay lounge doing karaoke right now. And then this morning, Melanie come up with the bar.
let's enter the solarium. Solarium is a 16 and older venue. It's like an adults area section of the ship. And here we are back outside, back out on the main pool deck. And this is me, Mr. Shadow 1969, coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Enchantment of the Seas. Hopefully if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, thanks for watching, have a great day.